to Amita Maths Academy. Today we will start exercise 2.2, which is based on the quadratic polynomial and rules of the polynomial. So the quadratic polynomial is what? The general term is the ax square plus bx plus c, and this is a quadratic because the maximum power of the variable will be 2. Let alpha and beta are the two zeros of the polynomial. Let कर लीजिए अगर आपके पास दो polynomial है alpha and beta, then sum of root is and zeros is equal to what? Minus b. B is the minus the coefficient of x. B is the coefficient of x divided by the coefficient of x square. A means the coefficient of x square. And alpha beta, the product of zeros is c by a. It means product of zero is what? C upon a. C is my constant term and divided by the coefficient of x square. And coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of x is b, and c is without variable and without any variable. It means it's a constant term. Power of variable is 2. It means it is a quadratic polynomial. So first we will find the zeros. In order to find the zero, we have to factorize the given quadratic, the middle term. So LCM of number 8, 2, 2, 2. I have to break like this, that multiplication will be 8 and after subtraction I will get the middle term. Choose the concept. It is my quadratic equation x square minus 2x minus 8. I multiply first term and the third term, which will give you 8x square. I take the LCM of 8, 2, 2, 2. So I have to break like this, that the product will be 8 and the middle term will be 2. So I got the number 4 and 2. 4 to the 8, 4 minus 2 is 2. So I break 2x means what? 4x minus of 2x. I open the bracket, sign will be changed. I got 2 factors. I will is what? 4 minus 2 is what? Plus minus minus 4 minus 2 is 2. And by the coefficient, look at here. This is the sum of zeros is minus b upon a. Minus of minus 2 means 2, 2 upon 1. Or you can say it minus the coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Same here, the product of 0 is c by a, and also the product is what? 4 into minus 2, 4 to the 8 minus 8. And product of 0 is c by a. C is my what? Minus 8 upon 1. Here is the coefficient of x square is 1, so minus 8 upon 1 is equal to constant term divided by the coefficient of x square. 2s square minus 2 into 2s into of 1 plus of 1 means 1 square. Means 2s minus 1 whole square. Means 2s minus 1 and 2s minus 1. So for zeros, 2s minus 1 equal to 0 and 2s minus 1 equal to 0. I got s is equal to 1/2 and s is equal to half. Now I will verify the relationship between the coefficient and the number of the zeros. Okay, how I will do? Sum of zeros is what? Minus b upon a. And sum of zeros is what? I got half and half. Half plus half is what? 1. And 1 means 1 means the minus of minus 4 upon 4, which gives 4 upon 4, and I can say it minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Okay, now I'll get same here. I got the 1 and also minus b by a. I also get minus plus 4 by 4 is 1. So sum of 0 is equal to the minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. So now we'll find the product 4. Okay, and c by a. C is this one and a is what? 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is equal to what? 1 by 4, and this 1 by 4 is what? Constant term divided by the coefficient of x square. You have to write it in the standard form, and the standard form is power 2, then power 1, then without power. Now, this is much presentable. The first term is multiplied with the third term will give you 18x square. Plus will be 9 minus 2 is 7 and 9 into 2 is 18. Now, factorize these 6x square minus of 9x minus of 2x minus of 3, which is 6x square minus of 9x plus of 2x minus of 3, and take the common. 3 will be the common, 3x will be the common. 3 to the 6 and 3 3s are 9. 2x minus 3 is the same factor, put it here. You have to multiply by 1. This is your 3x plus 1 and this is your 2x minus of 3. These are the factors for zeros. Put factors will be 0. 3x plus 1 will be 0 and 2x minus 3 equal to 0. I got x is equal to 3 by 2 and also get x is equal to minus 1 by 3. So I got the two zeros, minus 1 by 3 and 3 by 2. Now you put minus 7 upon 6. Okay. Minus b upon a. This is the quadratic equation. Minus b upon a is what? I can say minus of minus 7 upon 6. And this is what? This is the coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. T of 2. Same number. This will be my minus 3 and this will be 6. Minus 3 by 6. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. I again get minus 1 by 3. यहाँ आपको बचेगा u plus 2. For zeros you will get 4u equal to 0 or either u plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, it means u equal to 0 and u is equal to minus 2. 0 and second is minus 2. Now find the verify the relationship. Sum of zeros is alpha plus beta. Alpha and beta. Let this is my alpha and let beta is my this. It means 0 plus of minus 2 is my minus 2. Write it as minus 8 upon 4, which is for minus coefficient of x divided by the coefficient of x square. Okay, product of zeros is equal to alpha beta. If I have two rows alpha and beta, so by 0 into minus 2, I'll give it gives me 0, and 0 is what? 0 upon 1, and you can say it is the constant term divided by the coefficient of x square. Observe यहाँ पे u square वाली टर्म है, u वाली टर्म है, लेकिन विदाउट कांस्टेंट वाली टर्म नहीं है. इट मीन्स वो जो टर्म क्या होगी आपकी 0 होगी. स्क्वायर बनाना है. आई हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय विद द रूट. a square minus b square. It means a plus b and a minus b. For zeros, t plus root 15 equal to 0 and t minus root 15 equal to 0. It gives me minus root 15 and it gives me plus root 15. 1 is of root 15, which gives me 0. And 0, I can write it as 0 upon 1. 0 upon 1, which is what? Minus the coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Of x square. Product of zeros is equal to alpha beta. Okay, minus of root 15 and root 15. It means the coefficient of constant term divided by the coefficient of x square. So we have to multiply first and third number, which will be 12x square. 12x square, take the LCM of 12. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are and 3 1s are. So I have to break like this, that middle term will be minus x and the product will be 12. So my numbers will be 3 and 4. 3 4s are 12 and 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, 3x square minus of 4x minus of 3x minus of 4. 3x square minus of 4x minus plus of 3x minus of 4. Take this and this. Okay? So we have to write like this. And minus of 4x minus. Now, what will be the common out? 3x. We got x plus 1 Same here, x plus 1. You have to multiply. You have to make minus 4 and you have to multiply by minus 4. So 3x minus 4 and x plus 1. Both are the factors, and for number of zeros, for the zeros, you have to put these factors is equal to 0, x plus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to what? Minus 1, and x is what? 4 upon 4 by 3. So I got two zeros, one zero is 4 by 3 and second zero is minus. Now verify the relationship, take the LCM and solve out. This is the 1 by 3 and this is in the form 1 is what? 1 is the I can write it like this, and minus of the coefficient of x divided by the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. Same here, the product of zeros, constant term divided by the coefficient of x square.